In the annals of history, there are warriors whose names become legends, and among them stands a Spartan king whose valor and leadership continue to inspire generations. This is the story of King Leonidas I, the fearless Spartan who, with his 300 warriors, made a stand that echoed through the ages. From the Battle of Thermopylae to the heart of ancient Sparta, Leonidas embodies virtues that go beyond his time and place. Today, we uncover the lessons we can glean from the life of King Leonidas. Each lesson reflects the indomitable Spartan spirit and offers timeless wisdom for us all. King Leonidas I is one of the most famous Spartan warriors in history. He is renowned for his leadership during the Battle of Thermopylae in 480 BC, where he led a small contingent of Spartans and other Greek soldiers against the much larger Persian army of King Xerxes. Leonidas and his 300 Spartans fought to the death, making a heroic last stand that has become legendary in history and popular culture. This battle was a pivotal moment in the Greco-Persian Wars and has been the subject of many books, movies, and other forms of media. Number 1. Courage in the face of adversity. Leonidas and his 300 Spartans knew they faced almost certain death at the Battle of Thermopylae, yet they stood their ground. This demonstrates that courage often means facing fear and danger head-on for a cause you believe in. This teaches us the importance of facing challenges and adversity with bravery and determination. Number 2. Leadership by example. Leonidas led from the front, setting an example for his troops, and his unwavering commitment to the defense of Greece inspired his troops. Leading by example is a powerful leadership strategy that earns respect and trust. Effective leaders inspire and motivate others through their actions, not just words. Number 3. Loyalty and brotherhood. The Spartans had a unique bond known as phalanx, which emphasized teamwork and unity. Loyalty to one's comrades fosters trust and cohesion, essential in any group endeavor. Leonidas and his fellow Spartans showed unwavering loyalty to each other. The bond between comrades in arms is a powerful force, emphasizing the importance of trust and unity within a team. Number 4. Sacrifice for a greater cause. Leonidas and his men made the ultimate sacrifice for the defense of Greece, of the Persian invasion. This lesson reminds us that sometimes personal sacrifices are necessary for the greater good or a noble cause. Number 5. Strategic thinking. While vastly outnumbered, Leonidas chose the terrain of the Battle of Thermopylae strategically, using the narrow pass to his advantage. Strategic thinking and adaptation can make a significant difference in challenging situations. This teaches us the importance of strategic thinking and leveraging advantages, even in difficult situations. Number 6. Adaptability. When faced with changing circumstances, Leonidas adapted his strategy and fought valiantly, demonstrating the importance of being flexible and able to change course when circumstances dictate. Flexibility and adaptability are crucial qualities for leaders and individuals in any situation. Number 7. Inspiring legacy. Leonidas and the 300 Spartans left behind a lasting legacy that continues to inspire people around the world. The story of the 300 Spartans has inspired countless works of art, literature, and film, showcasing the enduring power of a heroic example to motivate and captivate people. Number 8. Standing against tyranny. Leonidas's resistance against the Persian Empire, one of the most powerful in history, symbolizes the fight for freedom and resistance against tyranny. It serves as a reminder of the importance of standing up for principles and resisting oppression. Number 9. Preparedness and training. Spartan warriors underwent intense training from a young age. They were known for their rigorous training and discipline. Leonidas's success in battle was a testament to the importance of preparation and continuous improvement. Number 10. Resilience. Despite facing defeat, Leonidas and his Spartans remained steadfast and valiant. They live on as a symbol of resilience and determination. Even in difficult times, it's essential to keep moving forward and learning from setbacks. Their story reminds us that resilience in the face of adversity can inspire others and leave a lasting legacy. These lessons from the life of King Leonidas can be applied to various aspects of life, including leadership, personal development, and facing challenges with courage and honor. Thank you for being a part of this conversation, and we look forward to embarking on many more growth journeys together. Like, subscribe, and stay curious.